Okay, so this is Winter Wonderland. We're gonna just look at the chord part. So we're looking at harmony, the chords, in the B section, the bridge style section. So we start on that, the first chord in that section is that B major. Now remember, from the last measure, we have a lead-in of an F sharp dominant. That's the shape that's on your chord chart right there, but we just play these three notes. And that leads us to that B, but we're going to go ahead and start on that B. So this B looks just like our C major 7, but it's a B major 7, so it's down a half step. So the frets we are on are 4, 3, 4. Okay? Now the first measure of the B section goes B major, F sharp dominant, B major. Okay? So they each get 2 hits because they're both in the same measure. So B major, F sharp dominant, B major. The only thing we're moving to get between those chords is this third finger needs to go up a fret. It's just one note that's changing. I'm actually doing it by putting my pinky there. That's a little bit easier. I don't have to adjust my hand so much. But if you want to, you can just slide that finger up there for it. So either way. So those first 2 chords are B major, F sharp, B major. When we land back on that B major, we hold on to it for a full measure. So we have 4 hits there. So B major, F sharp, B major for a measure, then we repeat it. B major, F sharp, B major. Now it's similar, only now we have to move up to this A dominant. Again, this is the shape that's on your chord chart, but we just play these top 3 notes. This A dominant is going to take us to a D major. So we're going to be using this similar thing that we're doing up here, only we're moving it up 3 frets. So the A dominant is on 5, 6, 8. Oh, I'm sorry. 7, 6, 8. 7, 6, 8. And then we come back down here. Again, we're just moving this one finger, this one fret, or like this, however you choose to do it. And that brings us to the D major. So let me play all the way up to that D major, starting on the B major. 1, 2, ready, go. Going up, lands us on the D major. Okay, now is when we start adding those new minor 7 shapes. On your chord chart, they'll be called minor 11s. But the first one, if we play the whole thing, it looks like this. This would be the whole E minor 11. These are all on bridging fret 7. And then putting this one finger on the B string on fret 8. But I'm only playing the D, G, and B strings of it. So I think this is the most common fingering. So fret 7, 7, 8. Okay, so this takes us to the E minor 11. So we've gone now from to that. We've landed on the D major. We're now on the second line of that B section. So D major, E minor. Now the next chord's an F sharp minor, so it's the same shape, only we move it up 2 frets. So this puts us on 9, 9, 10. Now here's where we're going to have a series of 2 5s that go by quickly. So the idea here is just to get this group of 2 chords, just like we did back here, where we hit a certain 2 chords and then we just moved it back 2 frets. We're going to do the same thing here, only the chord shapes are different. So F sharp, minor 11, we have 9, 9, 10. The only note that's going to move is this middle one is going to go back a fret. But in order to do that, we have to change our fingering. So we're going to go from 9, 9, 11 to 9, 8, 11. Again, it's only this note that's moving back. 9, 9, 11 to 9, 8, 11. So work on that transition between those two chords. It's very simple, but just get it down because we're about to move it back 2 frets. So we go F sharp minor 11 to B7 to E sharp minor 11 to A7. Okay, so we have. And then we have just one more measure to bring us all the way back to the A section, and it is that same way we're ending all of the other sections. It's that A minor to D7, however you're fingering that. A lot of you I see doing it like this, that's fine. I do it like this. And then that lands us on G. So let's do that whole second line starting on the D major. So I'll do it nice and slowly. I'll speak the chords as I go. 1, 2, ready, go. D, E minor, F sharp minor, B7, E minor, B7, A minor, D7. Okay, again, from the D major, this is the second line. 1, 2, ready, go. D major, E minor, F sharp minor, B7, E minor, A7, A minor, D7. Okay, let's do it one more time. 3, 4, D major, E minor, F sharp minor, B7, E minor, A7, A minor, D7, landing us back on that G major 7. Okay? So let me do the whole thing. This is the entire B section. If you've made it here, mark on where the time is for the YouTube video and keep on going back and looping it and playing it through with me over and over. So starting on B major. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, 1, 2, ready, go. All right, good luck.